guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a business account on Pinterest. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see the profile icon. Tap on it to open your profile menu. Now on the top left side, tap the profile icon again. This will fully open your profile page with all your account details. Here you'll see different options at the bottom. Scroll down and tap on Account Management. This section contains all settings related to your Pinterest account. From here, you can make major changes like converting your account type. Scroll down until you see Convert to a Business Account, tap on it, then tap Convert Account to confirm. And that's it. Your Pinterest account is now a business account. And that's how you can easily create a business account on Pinterest. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want more Pinterest tips and tutorials.